Here we go, hotel number 3 of this challenge. If you go straight there in that direction, you walk for about 5 minutes, you will reach the beach. But if you stay here, this place is called Bliss Cabana. They are building next to it a restaurant. This is the area where all the tuk-tuk drivers park to let you go and enjoy your vacation. This is one of the offices where currently they have a laundry service, 500 per kilo, which is like almost $2, less than $2, and I probably have 2 kilograms. And the cool thing over here is that I do have my own cabana, which is this one. Cabana probably means little house. My little house has some stuff around it at the moment because of the previous guest. Hello, how are you? But let me show you inside after, probably just a second after I finish shooting the video. They're gonna clean it up. By the way, this one is $30 per night, but you can rent it for $25, and for $25 you will get no AC. The people here absolutely nice, absolutely helpful, and maybe they're gonna help me out to get a cheaper tour. Maybe we might go on some dolphin watching, because the whale watching, apparently I am here in the wrong season. By the way, for $30 a night you get your own fun, and you get the AC, and I think it looks like a double bed, king bed. Over here we get a view. I left it open so more light will come inside the room. Everything looks pretty comfortable. Yeah, definitely very comfortable bed. There are little stains, but these are the stains that are created by the washing soap, I believe. My phone! Anyway, this is my luggage. This is the stuff I need to clean up. I'm gonna have a quick shower, so I'm gonna give them these clothes. And in my little cabana, everything works. Also, in this occasion, I got the corner room, which means that the Wi-Fi doesn't reach this place at the best speed. So this is what I learned in this hotel tour here in Sri Lanka. Never take the corner rooms, but it is what it is. We wanted the sea, we wanted the comfortable bed, we wanted to be next to the beach, and this is what we have gotten. For $30 a night, not only we get only our private house, but we get a pretty big toilet. The center one is for tall people. The side one is for your girlfriend, and this one is for your feet. I'm not sure if they have any towels. Let me ask them. And well, here, that's where I'm gonna dry my stuff after going to the beach. I have a question. Do you have any towels or not?
Yeah, I have a towel, but
It's not dry. It's okay. I will use mine.
maybe I will check.
Okay, no problem. By the way, these are the tours available: whale watching, dolphin watching, Pigeon Island. All they're a bit too expensive for me, but we're gonna go probably for dolphin watching and snorkeling for about 8,000. Being next to the beach, the prices are crazy. Like this pizza costed me $13. This beer costed me almost $4. And it is what it is. It is next to the beach, so everything is gonna cost more, and breakfast is not included. This is the first time I do not have breakfast included, and imagine, $5 a night it was included. $16 a night it was included, $30 a night is not included. I don't blame them. This is their place. They need to make business. Hopefully later they're gonna clean up this mess outside. Super lifesaver. Here they do have the international electricity socket.
Tomorrow for sure.
Very good place, very comfortable bed. Very amazing people, but maybe they are not used yet to handling so many customers during high season. And for example, I didn't get my towel, but no worries, I had mine. Bye bye, thank you.